Today we're going to be looking at my most profitable MACD trading strategy. I'm then going to be converting it into a strategy for back testing results. We're then going to also prove it on live trading that this is one of my most profitable trading strategies. So without further ado, let's get over to the charts. Let's have a look at this trading strategy. Okay, here we are on TradingView. I'm on the 2-hour time frame. This strategy works on multiple pairs and also on multiple time frames. I'll be proving that in a couple of minutes. Let's get on with the strategy itself. So I'm going to be using my trader's plan as always. We're going to be using one indicator for trend direction, which we're going to be calling the baseline. We will then add two indicators for confirmation, an indicator for volatility and volume, and finally a stop loss indicator where we will predict our take profits and stop losses. Okay, let's get over to the strategy itself. Now, our first indicator is going to be the FVMA, which is one of my favorite trend direction indicators. It's this one here. If you're looking for any of the indicators that we talk about in today's video, you can go over to davidtech.com, click on free indicators. You can then add any of these indicators to your favorites and you'll be able to find them on your TradingView itself. Not only that, you can copy all of the trading strategies over to your TradingView a couple of clicks, or even you can convert them over to bots on the David Tech website. Right, back over to the charts. Our FVMA is going to be giving us our trend direction. We're going to click the cog button so we can set our length to 50, which is going to give us our long-term moving direction. As you can see, the fantail moving average hugs price. When that price is above the FVMA, we're looking for longs, and when it is below, we're looking for shorts. We're then going to add another indicator. One of my other favorites is the MACD zero lag, which is this one just here. We're going to add that to our charts. Now, this MACD is very, very powerful. I've used it in many of my strategies and had lots of success with this MACD. Now, the only difference is not only are we using a signal line, we're using a zero lag, which is this blue line here. Now, to take entries, what we're looking for is for the blue line to go over the red line and the histogram to be in green. This would be our perfect entry just here. So we have our trend direction, we have our first indicator, and now we're going to add another indicator. We're going to use the volume flow by David Tech, this indicator just here. Now, this is a very, very simple indicator. We're looking for green to be above orange if we're looking for longs, and then we're looking for orange to be above green if we're looking for shorts. Our final indicator is going to be our volatility indicator. We're going to be adding the ADX plus MA, another David Tech indicator you can get for free of charge off of the website. Click on that, and we're going to be using this to confirm that there is enough movement in the market for us to take our entries. Now, I'm going to first of all go over to the length, and we're going to set the length to 10 and to 10 here for us to take our entries. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the blue line on this actual indicator, and then we're going to add a new threshold, which is going to be a static threshold of above 20. Now, what we're looking for is for the ADX, the red line, to be above our threshold of 20, which means that we can actually take any longs or any shorts in the market. Okay, so now let's have a look very quickly at this entry that we marked out earlier. We are trending above the FVMA. Our MACD zero lag is in the green and the blue is above the red. The volume flow indicator is green above orange, and the ADX finally is above our threshold, so we can take this entry just here. I'm going to set a long position to the open of the following candle. I'm then going to go over and add the ATR bands by David Tech just here. We're going to set the ATR bands to 2.5 on the length, just like this. We then are going to set our stop loss to the ATR bands just like this, and we're going to be looking for a risk to reward of 1 to 1.6, and boom, that would have been an absolutely perfect in and out on the same candle on the 2-hour time frame. Okay, I'm going to go away and code this, and then we're going to be backtesting it as far as we possibly can to see how it would have performed. Let's go.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. Come on, David, show us what you got.
Okay guys, the backtesting results are in, but before we go over to the screen and look at the backtesting and the live trading results, I'd like to invite you over to my website where you can add any of the David strategies as bots directly over to your exchange absolutely for free. You can choose any of the strategies. As you can see, they are all backtested and live traded just here. You can then click on copy bots and you'll be able to copy them over to your exchange. Everything is free of charge. As long as you open an account with either Bofin or Bybit, it's absolutely free. You can get access to all of our 800 strategies very quickly and easily. Right, let's have a look at the backtesting results. Okay guys, the backtesting results are in. Drumroll please. Boom! Right, as you can see, the equity curve is absolutely amazing. This was optimized by one of our amazing members from Discord, Jotak. Congratulations to him. As you can see, the trading strategy looks absolutely amazing. We are on the 2-hour time frame. And as you can see, we have 6,115% net profit, 281 closed trades, a win rate of 64%, which is amazing, net profit of 2.734, and a maximum drawdown of only 13%. We're using 10x leverage, as you can see, and 10% of our portfolio for this actual trading setup. If I go over to the website, this is the trading strategy we were talking about a couple of seconds ago. As you can see, this is backtesting results, and this is where we put it into live trading. And as you can see, it is actually going according to plan, which is absolutely amazing. Max consecutive wins was 15, max consecutive losses was only 5. You can see that most of the months are in green, a couple of red spots there, which is totally normal. Since we put it into live trading, we've had 18 trades and we've been trading since July. These are the recent data. Now what's amazing about this strategy is it also works on other time frames. As you can see here, this is on the 1 hour time frame BTC USDT. We've had 69 closed trades. This is all the way back from March in live trading. A little bit more jagged on the 1 hour time frame, but still profitable, so looking good. It also works on other coins like ETH. We have had 58 live trades, 396 trades were on the actual backtest. As you can see, the backtest is looking amazing, and the forward test looks absolutely incredible as well on ETH. Okay, last couple, we're going to go very quickly through. This one was sent to us as an optimization in April. We have 54 closed trades on ADA, and as you can see, the forward testing results are looking pretty good as well. A little bit more flat on ADA, which I guess on the lower caps is going to be normal, but we're still at 129% in profit since we put this in live trading. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing on multiple pairs and also on the backtesting and live trading results. This trading strategy I have been trading for a little while on myself, and the portfolio is currently up around 30%, so I'm very happy with it. I'm looking forward to see how it evolves in the future. You can find this strategy and all of the 800 other strategies from David Tech and our wonderful community on davidtech.com. I look forward to meeting you inside our wonderful Discord. And without further ado, guys, I'm going to wish you an absolutely wonderful week, and I will see you on Thursday. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Thursday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.